Hi, I'm Dreena. I am almost 56, and in my 40s, I thought that pain was going to just be part of my life. And I was looking for the expert, the one person that had the solution to why I was dealing with these pains. I had tried just about everything from creams to potions, so many appointments every week. And the thing is, we want the quick fix, but the body isn't a quick fix. Things take time. And when I discovered how to work with my fascia, it changed everything in my body, my health, my feelings of wellness, my mood, my posture, and my pain. Everything started to improve. The body takes time, but we have the tools inside to create so much shift. And yes, you may still need the specialist, the person to help you along the way. But until you work with your fascia, you won't have those sustaining results that can really make a difference. I invite you to step inside Fascia Flow and try it. We have a site where you can sign up, try classes for free. I'd love you to experience it in your body to see the change that you can feel even after one or two classes. So comment FLOW, FLO, to give it a try yourself. This comes from my heart because I've been there. I know what it's like to try every appointment, to try every cream and patch and potion and supplement. And I want you to experience how to feel great in your body again. Comment FLOW will send you the link, and I can't wait to hear from you.